Hey, it's Wes.
And I'm his brother Jay.
And welcome to another DinkLife.
We're here checking out the photo pass today. We're going to check out the Boardwalk restaurant and then just ride a couple rides.
Hey, so we just got done with GateKeeper and the Wild Mouse. We got an early entry. Actually got in 10 minutes before the park opened.
Yeah.
And then got on GateKeeper right away.
Yeah.
No wait.
Front row.
Yeah, front row was awesome.
Yep.
And then, oh yeah, we rode Wild Mouse. We had to wait about 20 minutes for it.
Yeah, I'd say 15, 20.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad.
I would say actually if you get early entry, I'd probably hit Wild Mouse first just because it loads people slower than
It loads slower. Well, and this is its opening year. So.
Yeah, opening year. Yeah, and it was a little busier than GateKeeper. But overall, good ride. It was my second ride on it.
Yep.
I thought it's I think it's a good addition to the park. I don't think it spins too much, just the right.
Yeah, I would agree. There's a bit of a jerk at the end that was a little abrupt, but other than that, it was fun.
Yeah.
Probably not worth a super long wait, but
yeah,
it's a good roller coaster.
I don't think I'd wait much more than an hour for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
under an hour.
Under an hour, it's worth hopping on.
Don't forget to get her Starbucks. You'll get her the Thai secret.
So we ended up getting the Steel Vengeance right at probably about 10 minutes before it opened.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the line wasn't too bad. I do have to say one thing, I had a fanny pack on, and you can't actually take that on the ride. You have to buy one of the lockers. It won't fit on the free lockers either.
Yeah, they do have free lockers if you didn't know, in there for like stuff in your pockets because you can't have anything at all on you. But the free lockers are real small.
Yeah, real small, but not big enough for a fanny pack or any bags really. So you got to go across, and then it's I think $3 to rent a locker just temporarily. You don't need it for any other ride here, just that one. Mm-hmm. Awesome ride though. My top ride in the whole park.
Oh yeah, I'd say probably one of my favorite roller coasters that I've ever ridden. It's so good.
It's one of my top coaster I think in the world. Yeah.
It's definitely the best one in this park and probably the best one in the world. Almost.
Yeah. Right after that, we ended up hopping over to Maverick. We waited about 30-40 minutes for it.
I think 30-40. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. That's probably, I think that's my second favorite ride.
Oh, definitely second favorite.
Yeah, just
that
awesome.
Was really good too. So much fun.
Yeah, we ended up. Normally we're not backseat riders, but we got back seats on that.
Yeah.
Still super smooth.
Super smooth, and we got that big knock when you go over hills. Or
yeah, it definitely just pulled you right over. Yeah. Really fun in the back though. If you're not into back seats, that one's not bad at all. Really smooth ride all around.
Agreed.
Yeah, awesome ride.
Hello and welcome to Snake River. We understand you are in the market to stake your claim and purchase property here on good old Snake River.
We will work with you to find the perfect fit. Your satisfaction is important to me, and I get
Come on in, please watch your step.
Hope y'all had yourselves a wonderful morning. Come on in, everyone. Come on in.
Yeah, we'll go up here. Can we sit up here?
Oh, go right ahead. I do appreciate the enthusiasm coming right up to the front seats. I get a little ugly up here sometimes. Everybody wave goodbye to Captain Hillary. And welcome everybody to the Little Miami. My name is Captain Luke, and I'm excited to see if this is the boat that makes it to its intended destination. Also excited to have y'all here for this wildlife excursion and property investment opportunity. The waters are calm, the skies are blue. Y'all could have not picked a better day to experience the historic Snake River. Any of y'all like live musical entertainment with the riverfront getaways? Well, all the way out from Cedar Creek. Such up at this dam over there, we can't get to Thunder Canyon anymore. Jerry! These beavers gonna have me filming today. Jerry, over here, folks, for no reason in particular, I feel like reminding y'all that raccoons are not pets, and they should not be approached as they will bite you, take over your local bottling company, or take over the entire river, hypothetically, of course. Oh no, who gone and did that? I'm so sorry, folks, for whoever did that, but let me give you a quick tour before you have to take cover. That over there is Rusty Steele's hardware store. They're doing a sale right now. Discount coastler and snakeskins. That right there's the Jones Landing dock. Parking your boat and enjoying the peaceful serenity of Seville. Woo! Everyone get down. Woo! For a beautiful one bathroom, 0-bedroom home. It could be, woo! Tell you what, folks, how about 50% off that one?
So we just got off Snake River Expedition. It was Jay's first ride on it. I rode it last year. They changed the theming on it this year, or the theming's the same, but the story is different. Last year it had like some bandits that hopped on. This year it's a real estate deal kind of thing, just so they could get rid of the two. I think they maybe had 2 actors or 1 last year, so I'm sure it saved them a little money going down that way.
Yeah, well, and I was telling Wes that they closed the island in the middle that had kind of an interactive mystery with actors on it, so I'm assuming if they got rid of those, they probably got rid of the other actors.
Yeah. It's an okay little ride, nothing like super amazing. I wouldn't wait like a super amount of long time for it. It has some really good theming on the inside, like ride or line area. But over the, I think it's nothing like amazing. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's a nice addition to the park, though. So we just got done with Magnum XL, which used to be the tallest roller coaster in the world a long time ago. It's a ride built by Arrow. It's a little rough nowadays.
Yeah.
We even rode front seats.
Yeah, and it feels like you're gonna, like, your bones are gonna get jostled out of your body almost. I mean, it's rough.
Going over up and down the bunny hills, it puts a lot of pressure on your legs.
Yeah.
I think you'll see our pain when I'll put the video. Hopefully, I can get the our picture, Fun Pics picture in there, and you can see the pain in our face.
I can even ride the new one. Why don't I?
So we stopped for some lunch at the Grand Pavilion, me and my brother. We got the sirloin steak and the funnel cake.
These two are 18 bucks, right?
Funnel cake shrimp, yeah. Mine was $25 with a drink, and yours is probably about this. Oh, you didn't get a drink though. How much is yours?
I think it was 20, but that was with a discount.
Yeah, 20.
I think it was
with
$21.95 without the discount.
Yeah, and we did use a park discount on it. We get 10% off, I think, with our season pass. So we just finished our lunch at the
Grand Pavilion restaurant?
Yeah. And it was good. My steak was really good. The potatoes were awesome. What were they called again?
They're called Syracuse salt potatoes. I guess it's kind of like a boiled potato, but with like a lot of salt in the water. It was really creamy and smooth.
Oh yeah, real good.
With like butter sauce on it.
That's probably my favorite thing on the whole dish.
Yeah. And
Oh,
I had the funnel cake shrimp, which was really tasty. It didn't need a sauce at all. You could just eat it
Yeah,
without
funnel
anything.
cake
It
shrimp
so
was
good.
awesome.
Yep.
The steak was good too, but I think the steak's actually better at the hometown cook kitchen
Like
in the
the
back.
farm,
Yeah,
Cedar Farm.
Cedar Farm kitchen in the back. I like it a little better back there. Overall, the food was really good.
Yep.
We're up on the patio right now, on top, and you get some real nice views of the park up here. Oh, we can check the view out at the other side. I do like behind the bar has a roller coaster behind it.
Yeah.
This is the bar area inside. You can get some drinks. I like the roller coaster bar holder in the back. Really cool. Yeah, really cool. just got done riding Max Air.
Yeah.
Ride.
Yeah, I liked it. I actually kind of found it a little relaxing.
Yeah,
kinda nice.
it was your first time on it.
Yeah, my first time. I've always been scared of it because I always thought spinning rides would make me sick, and it was nice. It was good.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I always thought it was going to be this thing that made me really sick, but the spinning's so slow. It looks way faster when you're on the ground. When you're on it, you hardly even notice it.
Yeah, and sometimes when you're like at the peak of the top of it, you're just kind of like cradled in that seat.
Yeah.
Feel like you're just fully like laying back in the seat almost.
I think it's a pretty relaxable ride. Yeah, you get some nice breeze too, and great views of the park.
Yeah, it's good for cooling off, I'd say.
Yeah, it's a fun one. Oh, and when you swing through, I would say it's not so intense that it gives you like that roller coaster hit.
No,
it's
not
more
that
just really just like you're swinging on a swing set, but it's just gigantic.
Yeah, I agree.
We just got off. It's kind of loud. We just got off Rougarou.
Oh yeah, Rougarou.
Yeah. Short wait. It was only 10 minutes pretty much for us.
Yeah, and we waited for the front, so it wasn't too bad. I rode it back when it was the Mantis, and they pretty much just changed the cars.
Yeah, it used to be a stand-up coaster.
Yeah, it was a stand-up coaster, and it was not fun.
Yeah, now it's just like a floorless train coaster. But I heard it's really rough, but we rode the front seat. Not too bad, but we're tall too. I think if you're short, it'd beat the hell out of your head.
Yeah, because of the bars or the harness or whatever.
The restraining things. Yeah. But overall, if it was a short wait, I'd probably ride it again.
Yeah, it's better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, better than I thought it would be for sure. Got some little ponies out today cruising around. Oh yeah, that is where you can make your own candles.
Like woodworking.
The woodworking stuff's back there. It's cool. I like that lady.
They normally have a guy in here. Just look at these horse heads.
Yeah. Really cool. Super detailed. That dragon on the wall is really cool over there too.
Yeah.
Look at that cute little donkey. We stopped back in Frontierland. We grabbed a couple beers. $15 a piece. We're waiting to listen to some bands.
Take whatever. Oh, 30 minutes. Yeah, this.
That was rude. About this.
Beaver Dam. It's like that guy's helmet. The what? I think the best train. Yeah. So we just finished riding Valravn.
Yeah, nice wait. I think we waited maybe like 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah, which is a great ride. Wait for that ride.
It's a good day at Cedar Point for sure.
Yeah. Overall ride, it's a good drop coaster. Nothing like super amazing. I wouldn't wait like a super long time for it. I think it's it's not one of my favorite rides at the park. But
No, the drop is fun, but the rest of it's like kind of standard.
yeah, it's kind of standard. It's like nothing amazing, but yeah, it's fun. Super smooth.
Yeah, I would agree.
Yeah. Overall, good ride though. Hey, so we just finished up our day at Cedar Point. We got here at 8:50, 10 minutes before early entry. We the park didn't open until 10. We got 7 coasters done total today. It's 4:30 right now. We had lunch and did a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah.
We didn't get to see any shows. The shows actually don't start until later in the day.
Right.
Overall, it was a great day overall. We had fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. So whatever you decide to do,
just get out there and do it. Or the entrance into Cedar Point, the road was eroded. Looks like they're filling it in with concrete right now.
Little